Welcome to Tiainen Engineering and Innovation channel. Okay, now I have designed 3 days of this PAKU delivery van project, and I have got it a little bit more forward. So during the next day, the third day, I have been able to make the windshield there. And during designing of the windshield, I realized that my A-pillar is way too thick, so I need to get maybe half of that width off, so the viewing area for the driver or the blind spot will get much smaller. What I have also done is that I have added these fairings, which will be screwed to the body. I did about 3 different designs of these, and these look the best visually. Maybe not, because I think the 40mm offset for the fairing was best looking, but aerodynamically that would be too much. So now they are just 20mm, giving it wider the wheel arches than the body. But I think that will be enough. I have also taken out the wheels a little bit to sit nicely to the wheel arches and make the inner fenders also bigger. And that's why the driver position is now raised a little bit more than it was, which actually makes it good for viewing angles for the mirrors also. And yeah, that's for that. After that, I put some rear lights to the van and made some minor changes to these flat pieces here. So I narrowed a little bit of this rounding on the corners to get this a little bit wider to fit the lights. And here you see how the lights will look like on night, and here's how they look visually on the daylight without any lights. I will investigate, is it possible to put the license plate to the sliding door. Mechanically it would be a good position, because there's no other good position at the moment for the license plates, because if I put it here, it will probably get the departure angle at the rear will get probably too low. So I will investigate, is it possible to put there. And after that, I put also some kind of side protection sill here, which will protect the side of the van. So if you accidentally drive it somewhere, it will protect the composite side of the van. That's what I did on the day 3. Watch the previous videos where I tell more about the earlier process of the project, and if you have anything to say on the project, how I should move forward next, or what I should look into usability and stuff like that, let me know, and I will think about, is it the wise option or not. At the moment I'm still thinking how to put the front doors here, and will the driver be on the corners, or will the front of the bus shape change a little bit more? If not, I will start designing the front lamps areas and stuff like that. After that, the basic body, the doors and the front starts to be pretty ready to do some visualization of how it will actually look. But it's pretty straightforward process in short time frame. But when you start to design the details like A-pillars and stuff like that, strength 5, you have to do body calculations, then it will take much more longer. It's same like building a house. You can get the house frame ready in 1 day, but the detailed work on the inside of the house will take much more time to finish. Thanks for watching, and please, if you like the projects which I have in my YouTube channel, subscribe and press the like button, so that helps a little bit to get better channel. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.